On this page of diazro.com, I have compiled a carefully curated list of men's essentials on Amazon, showcasing the best men's fashion on Amazon that are both practical and stylish. You'll discover a range of products, including the best men's clothing on Amazon, men's shoes on Amazon, and even grooming kits for men available on Amazon. This selection features some of the top-selling items mostly under $30, offering great quality and value for money. From Amazon men's underwear to stylish vests and watches for men on Amazon, you can find everything you need for your wardrobe. Don't forget to check out the best men's wallets on Amazon and the best men's sunglasses on Amazon to complete your look. You can find a link in the description that highlights the best Amazon gifts for men, including top daily use products. Moreover, you can visit the main Dozro page to explore all product categories. Amazon direct product links on the Dozro website enhance your shopping experience by categorizing must-have items for easy navigation. This curated selection allows you to find perfect products on Amazon efficiently and enjoyably without hassle. I hope you enjoy my selection of the best Amazon products. By clicking on any link, you'll be directed straight to the corresponding Amazon page to consider your purchase. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the Dozro channel for more great finds.